Step number 1. J1 ID, customer, permanent account, number activation is the T code. J1 ID. J1 ID తెలుసు కదా మీకు already. Select customer excise details under excise status. Select maintain. New entries. Okay, so here I'm going to select here WH services is one of my customer. Please write customer account number. Right here, PAN account, permanent account number, PAN number. Enter and save. Next step, activate TCS tax key to customer account. T code is XD02. Select customer number and company code. Select company code currency. Sorry, company code. Select company code data. Withholding tax. Please write. Okay. Enter and save. Step number next. Okay. You can go with F-22 or FB70 sales voucher. Manual reference ID. Sales with TCS calculation. You have to select your customer. Please write up to here. Please write. Hello. Hello. जी बोलिए जी सॉरी 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 Okay. Press enter. Look here. Please go. Okay. Press enter. And this is your withholding tax for TCS. It's your act withholding tax. Please write withholding tax for I. Enter. For I కదా? Enter. Amount star. Business place. What's your business place? 40. Business area T4H. Text place. Okay. Enter and select to simulate. What's your value of sales? What's your value of sales? 1 lakh. Okay, then 1,000 rupees is depending on scrap sales. The 99,000 is going to be reflect of your customer. When you get blue color line item, what is your responsibility? You have to fill on required informations. To fill, we have to double click on the screen and write the date. And today's date is 20. Fill required information. Enter NC. So please write a message. Document number 6008 was posted in company code T4. Okay. You have to check all your common reports, FB03. Look here. Otherwise, you can check FEA, GL, B03, right sales account. So when you comes to here, in February month, we have only one sales. This is the entry relevant of this procedure. Go to FBL3N for general ledger accounting line item display. We have to check reconciliation account is 2 lakhs 3. 3 lakhs 1 is a sales account. The relevant of T4 company code, open items up to the date and execute. And in the reconciliation account, the document number is 99,000. In sales account is 1 lakh. The remaining 1,000 is reflecting under your scrap on sales account. At the same time, if you go to ABL 5N, the 5N will indicate for customer account line item display. Select your customer here and execute. And your amount is reflecting here on the date 99,000. Okay, so we are going to receive 99,000 plus 1,000 rupees tax. Total you are receiving and you will pay to the government. Okay, the next I will show you how to calculate TCS procedures.